Hi everyone, it's Marisa from BumblebeeApothecary.com, and today I'm going to make eye makeup remover. This is a really unique and nutrient-dense eye makeup remover recipe. It uses a very special ingredient, grass-fed tallow, that is chock full of amazing nutrients for the skin. I have lots of other videos where I talk about that, so feel free to check some of those out. In the meantime, let's jump right into the recipe. This is actually a really simple 2-ingredient recipe, and I'm going to start by adding some tallow to my pitcher. I'm going to add about half a cup of grass-fed tallow. I've melted the tallow ahead of time in a double boiler. I just made a double boiler by putting a pan and a cloth inside the pan and some water, and then put this pitcher in there and melted it for easy measuring. Next, I'm going to add a half a cup of coconut oil, and I'm just going to be adding this to the same pitcher until the level comes up to 1 cup. So half a cup of tallow, half a cup of coconut oil. For a while I used just straight coconut oil as eye makeup remover, and that works pretty well. But I really do love the benefits of tallow when it comes to skin, especially the delicate eye area, and wanting to use those nice anti-aging benefits from the tallow. But tallow on its own, or even as tallow balm, doesn't work the best as eye makeup remover. So combining them half and half seems to be the way to go. I don't add essential oils or anything to this recipe because I don't feel like it's a good idea to be using them that close to your eye. So the next thing is to just take a hand mixer and whip everything together. If you're using softer tallow like I am, then it'll be good to go as it is. If your tallow is pretty hard, like from leaf fat, you'll probably want to add a little bit of liquid oil like olive oil or jojoba oil to just make sure it's soft enough to whip easily. You can always just wait and see how it is. You can add it during the whipping process if you think you need it, or leave it out if it looks fine without. And after that, it's time to store it in a nice glass jar. And there you go, a really simple, easy to make, totally natural, and very nourishing eye makeup remover. It has really great skin benefits and it works really well. Check out that description box for links to where you can buy all the ingredients and equipment to make this. Also check out my video on how to render tallow to get it nice and odorless without compromising any of its great nutrients. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody else who you think would like it. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I get out 2 new videos every week on nourishing recipes and natural living. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.